All right, this is my Upwork account. So let me show you my profile. There's a way you can actually create more than one profile, up to three. Is it three or five profile in one account? So that's why I have two profile, and you can just put in different skills, and you can use any one of them to write your proposal and apply for job. Now I register for my own account also, like the way I taught you guys to register. You can see my charges per hour is this. So these are my portfolio here. I have to sell portfolio. So this is just a video. So I've sent a testimonial already that I haven't received update from Upwork. I don't know why. So you can re-edit each and every one of those stuffs you posted when you got registered. But then you have to be careful. You can see this is my profile. So if I applied for a proposal and I submitted the proposal, the very one of the very first thing that is going to be showing is my profile and what I can do. So this is the second profile which I have. Working on the third one, but I just left it there. Think of the third one, you can see my portfolio is just six, and my charges is $80 per hour. So by so doing, I fill in all these things. So you realize that that profile, eh, that one is different from this, but then it's still the same me. You can see I've nothing because I just decided to just set this up recently. So it matters a lot that you have to edit to suit the skill that you possess. If not, nobody will be willing to give you job, you get. So I think this was one of the jobs I can just come here and just come here and search for job, man. So basically, this person say he needs an aesthetic logo. So what you do is that when you want to apply for any job, you look at the time he posted 52 minutes ago. I want to apply for this because it has stayed too long. So then I'm not writing a proposal because I promised just 20 people that I'm going to teach them how to write a proposal. We have designed for ebook infographics. You can apply for this job. We posted 1 hour ago. So there's necessity that one is online consistently to ensure that you catch up with job posted not quite long, posted 3 minutes ago, senior organ, so product manager, business analyst. So everything just like that, and you get what you're looking for ASAP, and the deal is done. And get your alert and the like. So basically, that is how it works. Thank you very much. God bless you. So okay, let me just see how I can, so that you will see that this I'm saying here, not that this guy just like talking. Graphics, work history. So this work history will automatically show up eh, by the time I've done a work for someone in this particular account that I just created this profile. Thank you.